Welcome back. Now, leaders from across the country gathered at the Kenyatta International Convention Center, that is KICC, in Nairobi for the County Assembly Forum Annual General Meeting. The high-profile event brought together members of county assemblies, Senate representatives, and key national leaders to discuss devolution, governance, and service delivery. Speaking during the event, President Ruto reaffirmed his administration's commitment to strengthening county governments and enhancing collaboration between national and devolved units.
The annual general meeting of the County Assembly Forum convened today at the KICC in Nairobi brought together members of county assemblies from all 47 counties. President William Ruto presided over the meeting, emphasizing that devolution remains one of the Kenya's most transformative governance pillars. He called on members of county assemblies to exercise their oversight responsibilities diligently, promoting transparency and accountability in county government.
As members of county assemblies, you are the frontline custodians and steadfast defenders of devolution. Over the past 13 years, since devolution took root, you have built institutions where none existed previously. You established the legislative background and backbone upon which county governments operate today. You enacted the laws, frameworks, and regulatory structures that enable counties to function effectively in health, in agriculture, in trade, in planning, and local revenue administration.
The president also highlighted the need for closer cooperation between the national government and county administrations to accelerate development projects, particularly in healthcare, agriculture, infrastructure, and job creation. Speaking at the forum, Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi also urged the MCAs to actively use their oversight powers, warning that failing to do so would weaken their role in the devolved system.
Being a leader of a county assembly is a very, very significant assignment in this republic. Very significant. And since 2013, Your Excellency,
among the leaders present was Nairobi's Governor Johnson Sakaja, who joined other county chiefs in calling for stronger collaborations between national and county governments to speed up development in sectors like healthcare, agriculture, infrastructure, and job creation.
Your Excellency, the members here are the anchors of devolution. Devolution is based on the principle of subsidiarity, which states that a service is best offered at the lowest level compatible with the benefit area. Today, when we were sitting with the leadership, I really felt for them, because members of county assembly are the first port of call for Mwananchi's issues right at the ground.
The forum provided a platform for ward representatives to review achievement, share challenges, and map out strategies to strengthen governance at the grassroots level. Leaders expressed optimism that sustained cooperation between counties and national government will deepen the gains of devolution and improve service delivery for citizens across the country. Dolly Mirigimbovi for Hope TV.
Much appreciated, Dolly. Moving on.